Why hello everyone. If you know me, it should come as no surprise that spooky season is my favorite time of year. And to celebrate, I got myself some stickers from DeadVend, and we're gonna go ahead and open them up and take a look. Now they have plenty of different options, different like sticker packs, so you can get a different amount of stickers from different horror movies across all generations, especially the classics. And I went for broke and I just wanted all of them. So I went ahead and did that. We are gonna see what we got. Oh. Yeah, let's go ahead and dump that out. All right. Okay, there we go. A little thank you. Thank you, DeadVend. I appreciate you guys. So, all right. Starting off strong. So they're kind of, they simulate like the old quarter machines where you'd put in like, what, 75 cents, 50 cents, a dollar, and you'd get these really cool holographic stickers. And that's what we've got today. Oh, beautiful. Little Prince of Darkness representation. I'll have to crack these open. These are all still sealed up. There we go, there's our boys, DeadVend. And they just started up, I think maybe about a month or so ago, so they're still very new. One of my all-time favorite films, The Thing. We got Split Face over here. Perfect. There we go. You know his name. We've got the Candyman by the legendary Tony Todd. Nice. And here we've got The Stuff. If you've never seen it, awesome 80s political satire. So good. All right, and all of these have additional stickers inside. So I guess we'll go ahead and start. I forget what order they had these ranked, but we'll go ahead and start with my boyfriend's back. I'm pretty sure it's my boyfriend's back. Either way, it is a awesome poster that they have well replicated into these badass stickers. So let's see. So we already took a look at that. Here we go. Oh shoot, take a look. Awesome. And especially the way they shine in the light. Some high quality stuff, y'all. Highly recommend it. DeadVend. DeadVend for the win. And if you haven't seen it, minor spoilers for Chopping Mall, which does feature one of the best head explosions of all time. So good. Robot security in a mall. So good. Keep doing I'm gonna do that a lot because all of these are absolutely rad. Sweet Sleepaway Camp. Another absolute classic if you haven't seen it. All right, and then I believe as you get the packs, you get these little pieces so we can build the DeadVend guy. So we got his head. And pop that there. As we move to our second packet. Let's see, this was started off with Prince of Darkness on this one. As we saw, there it is again, out of the packaging, Prince of Darkness. A John Carpenter classic for sure. Not a lot of people know about that one, but definitely worth a watch. And if I'm not mistaken, we've got CHUD, which that stands for Cannibalistic Humanoid Underground Dwellers. Goodie right there. Oh shoot, okay. And this is definitely a divisive sequel, but I feel like it's gotten a lot more love in the past couple years. But we got Halloween 3, Season of the Witch. That's what happens when you watch that Silver Shamrock commercial. And if you've seen the movie, just mentioning Silver Shamrock, the song's probably stuck in your head, so I apologize. And one of my all-time favorites, Peter Jackson's Brain Dead, also known as Dead Alive. That poster art is just so great, and it looks absolutely rad as a sticker. I cannot wait. And that's my dilemma with stickers, is especially when really good ones, I'm like, I don't know where I want to put it. It's like it's a big commitment, you know? And then for our DeadVend buddy, now we got his legs. Perfect. We'll go ahead and put him over there. All right, pack number 3. Kicking off with John Carpenter's The Thing. Top 3 for me. That's one of my top 3 favorite movies of all time. And I'm really bad at picking favorites of anything. It's just, I don't know, I don't like to put a number to things half the time. But The Thing, for sure, is up there. Absolute classic. Kurt Russell, Wilford Brimley, Keith David, just a masterclass in suspense. So good. Dropped him there for a second. Speaking of Carpenter, his collab with Stephen King for Christine. That badass car. Look at how the flames shine on that holographic. That's great. Yeah. All right, and then we've got, beautiful. All right, come on now. God, where am I gonna put these stickers? They're all just way too cool. I cannot, it's unfair. DeadVend, come on. Why you gotta have such quality stuff? And as we round out of spooky season, of course, we've got Silent Night, Deadly Night, Christmas horror classic. And then, as far as our DeadVend guy goes, we got an arm here with a VHS tape. Beautiful little peek in history. Put that there. As we move on to pack number 4, let's see what we got. All right. And I think since I did opt to get all 5 of these smaller sticker packs, I think we're gonna complete our DeadVend guy today. So I'm glad you could be here as we complete that journey. So as we saw before, Tony Todd's Candyman. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. All right. Oh. Whoops. There we go. If I can actually hold it to show you. Oh man. Yeah, you gotta love the shine on that holographic. That's so good. All right, so we've got a little Hellraiser action. This is one of the sequels. We got the little CD face. I forget his name, but yeah, he's got a CD player face and has weaponized CDs, as you can tell by this poor unfortunate police officer taking one to the dome. And then our boy, Mr. Voorhees himself. Oh, sweet, got a saw blade, a bloody saw blade heading right for us, shining in all its holographic glory. Yeah, that's badass. And then for our DeadVend homie, we now have a torso with quite the stylish leather jacket. All right, round 5. This is the last one. And they do sell different sticker sizes too. You can get like really, really big ones. It was really tempting to buy those alongside this 5-pack, but next time, later days. All right, as we saw, this one starts with the stuff. And oh man, moving right on to Nightmare on Elm Street. One of the iconic scenes. Welcome to prime time, bitch. So good, pulling her head into the television set. Hey, all right. And we've got Return of the Living Dead 3. So she's definitely an iconic zombie. And I've been doing my Zomboween art, where I've been drawing a zombie daily for every day in October. And good old Julie here was, I think, my 12th day? That was one of them, but we definitely did a little Julie art there. Shit, all right. Man, we got a lot of Carpenter love here. We've got the fog, the climactic scene in the church. They're fighting off those nasty ghost pirates. That's really cool. I like how the cross has that shine to it. If you've seen the movie, you know that glow that happens. Cool. And we finish off our DeadVend character. I don't know if he has a name. So let me know, DeadVend, if he does have a name. But there we go. The final arm to complete the puzzle. And you know what? We're just gonna flip around. And there he is. Fully completed. Where's he gonna go? We're gonna have to figure it out. We're gonna have to find the perfect spot for his final resting spot. But heck yeah, man. DeadVend. If you're a horror fan, oh, there we go. Flip it the right way. You can follow them on social media. Let me see. They're at DeadVend LA, and they are badass. They're just like grassroots, total horror fans, and they're doing awesome products for horror fans. So thank you for joining me as we take a look at these 5 sticker packs, and I highly recommend getting some for yourself. All right, see you later.